1 Minute Flemish, Lesson 2.
Hallo iedereen.
Hello everyone and welcome back to 1 Minute Flemish, where we are teaching the basics of Flemish 1 minute at a time. My name is Mark.
And I'm Kurt.
Last time we learned how to greet people and say goodbye. In this lesson we'll learn some useful words in Flemish which you'll use every day.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The first word we're going to learn in this lesson is the word for yes. Kurt, can you tell us how you say yes in Flemish?
Ja.
Let's hear that again. Try repeating after Kurt.
Ja.
Try it one more time.
Ja.
And of course, we also need to know how to say no. In Flemish, no is...
Nee.
Repeat after Kurt.
Nee.
Say it one more time.
Nee.
It's always useful to be polite. Kurt, can you tell us how you would say please in Flemish?
Yes. In Flemish, please is alstublieft.
Now that's a little more complicated. Listen again and Kurt will say it more slowly.
Alstublieft.
Try repeating the word for please after Kurt.
Alstublieft.
Okay, so that's please. We now need to know how to say thank you. Kurt, how do you say thank you in Flemish?
Bedankt.
Listen again.
Bedankt.
And try it one more time.
Bedankt.
Let's learn one more expression in Flemish this lesson. What's the natural response to the word for thank you, bedankt? How do you say you're welcome in Flemish?
Graag gedaan.
Okay, that's a little tricky. Listen carefully to the pronunciation here. Kurt, can we hear this again?
Graag gedaan.
Okay, let's have it one more time at normal speed. You're welcome.
Graag gedaan.
Okay, that's almost us for this show. We'll be back again soon with more Flemish. For now, let's say thanks and see you later.
Bedankt en tot ziens.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.